Alright, so let me quickly show you how to blur the background in Darktable. I would prefer to do this with an AI tool like Canva or even do this in game, but if you insist on doing it in Darktable, then this is the way. Find blur, activate it, and now you see that everything is blurred out, but that's not something that we want. However, first let's increase the blur radius, and we can change the diaphragm blades to suit it the way we want it to look. I like it to set to around here, just for a smooth bokeh. But now instead of everything being blurred out, I just want to use this mask. Now I tried different masks. I tried the path one and the brush one, and I find the results being the best with the brush one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush over myself. If you want to increase the feathering, so that's the outside ring, hold shift and then scroll towards you. If you want to decrease it, just scroll away from you. Now let's paint over myself, and don't worry, this brush is very big, but I can always just grab a new brush and then make it smaller and then paint over the areas I haven't painted over yet. And the beauty about this is if you want to know what's being masked, you can click this. And you see that this still isn't good, right? So I'm just going to brush over all these parts. And then I want to change the feathering and I want to change the blur as well. And I'm going to change the mask opacity and the mask contrast to make the edges as sharp as possible. Now let's click this symbol again, and here you have it. The background is blurred. I'm still being sharp. Now if you want to increase it, just increase the blur radius and you'll see that the background will blur out even more.